Now here's a shed, and this shed hasn't got a green roof, and that's not good. And John Little's going to tell you why having a green roof on your shed is good.
Did you know it's soon going to be World Green Roof Day? World Green Roof Day, I might add. So here's a couple of reasons to have one of these above your shed, your garage, your supermarket, your industrial unit. They are cool, for one. Cool because they look great, and cool because if you live down in there, you will be cooler because they cool buildings. Two, they're going to stop your cities being flooded, aren't they? Makes perfect bloody sense. All the water's absorbed in the soil and then is released very slowly into the downpipes and gutters, if at all. Perfect reason for having a green roof. Loads of biodiversity, undisturbed place to add your solitary bee sand pile. Okay, where else could you do that? You can't do it on the ground. It becomes a groovy sand pit. You can put it up here, and then the bees have plenty of time to chill out and make a nest up here. Add your log piles, add your rubble piles, add all sorts of interesting stuff up here. Create a little pond. That's another good reason. Okay, so get a green roof. It makes perfect bloody sense.
So if you've got a shed, help us celebrate World Green Roof Day and green it up.